Remove the rear panel of the desk by turning the knobs inward, tilting out the top portion of the panel and lifting it out. Find the control box at the rear center of the desk and the power supply at the rear left of the desk. Remove the control box from the two plastic holders and disconnect the power cable from the right side of the power supply. Disconnect the switch and motor cables from the control box. Remember which cables were plugged into which port. Reconnect the switch and motor cables to the correct ports on the control box. A single monitor lift should have the cables plugged into ports 1 and 3. On a dual lift, the ports will be plugged into 1 and 3 for the right lift and 2 and 4 for the left lift. Reconnect the power cord to the power supply. To pair the control box to the remote control, press the button on the control box 2 times and a blue light will appear. Remove the cover from the back of the remote and press and hold the white button until the blue light disappears. Test the desk has been paired by pressing the up button on the remote for 5 seconds. The monitor should raise. Reattach the rear panel to the desk and lock in place by turning the knobs upward.